Hi friends, here is our subtraction work for Wednesday. I have two sheets. This is a pretty big, tall order. With the addition, you can make the decision whether you mix and match or if you want to try for 5 whole sheets of math for today. That seems like an awful lot for anyone that I know, but in my class, but if you guys are able to do it, power to you, that's awesome. We're going to start with this one. This is our first page. For any student that was receiving the subtraction sheets, they are the level 3 learner. And so here, like every other worksheet that I've talked to you about so far, we're going to try to use the the dry erase pocket to protect it. That way we can use it more times, and that will help our student. The more times we get to practice, the better, and that will help to solidify that skill. So as always, we start with our name. Most important question of the day. If we can answer our name, like what is your name, then we've got the rest of it in the bag. And if we can't answer, we need a little bit of help. Not a problem. We're still going to win the day. So here we go. Paige has 6 shirts. How many shirts? 6. Great. Let's write it over here. And the student, of course, handy dandy highlighter, always with you. They might need the target. They might need the target for their name. All good. Let's count the shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. She puts away 4 shirts. Oh my gosh, she's putting them away. That means she's going to take them away. So we're going to cross it off. You can help them by giving them a target, or they can do it on their own using the whiteboard. And so we're going to practice crossing off the 4, and then we're going to circle the ones that are left. That'll help us so we have a visual difference. So circles and X's are very different shapes. And then we want to answer how many are left. So we're going to count our circles. 1, 2. We're going to write the 4 down here. Sorry, my bad, I skipped that. So first, the 6 goes here, the 4 goes there. How many are left? This is our answer. This is number 2. So similar thing down here. And same again on this one. This one's just using slightly larger numbers. Your students have had exposure to this, and they have had exposure to the idea of having a target for the X's and help with the circling. Some of them are able to independently do that on their own, which is fantastic. We love, again, the dry erase pocket, just so that they're able to do this again and again and continue to practice those skills. Even when we don't necessarily have access to a lot more worksheets. So that is our subtraction for the day. You'll notice in these videos there's a lot of repetition. We use a lot of the same strategies over and over again. And so it helps not only to make it a little bit easier for us as the adults who are working with the student. We're very familiar with the routine and what we are going to, some of the interventions that we're going to try. The student also is very familiar because it's stuff that they're exposed to in the classroom across the board, whether it's something that they're using with a teacher or if it's something that another student next to them is doing. So, but as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll see you later.